If you have been importing products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to stay updated with new products from your favorite store or your favorite factory on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on any of Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to best use your 1688 Chinese shopping app to import products from China to any part of the world. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to see new product from your favorite factory on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is to click on here to open up my 1688 shopping app. Next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And it will take you to all the new product that is posted by your favorite store on 1688 across the number of factory you follow on 1688. Like this store right here, they post this particular product in 1 hour ago. So you will see the last time they post, and then you can simply scroll down and see the rest of the store that you follow. This store here posted 3 hours ago. You can simply scroll down, and then you can see another store here 3 hours ago. The more you scroll down, the more you see new store that are just posted new products on 1688. So you can scroll down right there. So from here, if you are interested in any of their latest products, what you need to do is to click on the product link and then to place your order. It's that simple. So for more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import from China with 1688, consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.